This is the video on the Japanese candlesticks theory landmarks part 2. In part 1 of landmarks video, we have seen the functions of visitor AFL, what it does, how it actually considers all the low and high fractals in any time frame of a candlestick chart, cancels them with a formula, and then generates a Excel file, .csv file in this fashion with HF high, LF low, and fractals. With 1 means green candle, green color candle, 0 means red color candle, and date and time stamped with the ticker name, whichever stock we are actually dealing in. Currently, we are dealing in Canara Bank futures stocks. I have 15 minutes chart here and 1 minute chart here. We have applied this visitor AFL in part 1 video on this chart, and it has given us all those low or high fractals which are not cancelled. The terms of cancellation, the conditions of cancellation were mentioned in part 1 video of landmarks. Now we are having this file ready. The data generated for this file is still up to the end of the day of 16th April 2018. So at the end of the day, we have generated this file from AMI broker, 1 minute IEOD data, and this we have got as a result for 17/4/2018 trade setup. For trading on 17/4/2018, we have made this file ready. Once we get this file, we have to sort it out based on date and time with newest to oldest as order. Then again we have to sort it based on HF high column, largest to smallest order, and again based on LF low column. This time it is smallest to largest order, and the last custom sort is based on again HF high. This time it is largest to smallest order. Now these are all the high or low fractals. This is a range of high fractal, this is a range of low fractal, this is a range of low fractal. Now all these are arranged in their values, high to low on the high fractal side, and again low to high on the high fractal side, on the low fractal side, low to high again on the low fractal side. So this is arranged with date stamp also is there, but not arranged in date stamp. It is arranged based on the largest to smallest values in high fractal high, and again smallest to largest in low fractal low. This is what we will keep it ready, save it and keep it ready for 17th. So 17th, today is 17th, and we have the data, live data ticking. I use Kite from Zerodha. We have same Canara Bank futures, April futures. This is a 15-minute chart and this is a 1-minute chart. We need both of them. Now the basic theory is we are left with the fractals, remaining fractals which are not cancelled in 1-minute chart of Canara Bank futures, and with their body colors. Green is 1, green body is 1, red body is 0. This is what we are ready with. Now the procedure of this theory works like this. First I open 15 minutes chart. I take 15 minutes and not any other time frame, so that the optimum number of fractals we arrive at, not too small ones or not too big ones. And here the aim is to actually get at least 2 or 3 rupees profit in a day, whether on long side or short side. Here we see Canara Bank futures, Nifty futures. First, we will take an example. At between 10:15 and 10:30, the highest here is, this is a fractal, high fractal, 286.40. We'll take this example, 10:15 to 10:30, 286.40. We will go to, is there a pattern here? The pattern which I am looking at is a pattern which is engulfing pattern. Engulfing pattern means the fractal which we are looking at, its body should be completely covering the body of the previous candle, or the next candle's body should be completely covering the fractal candle's body. Then we call it engulfing pattern existing, and this pattern is seen only in 15-minute chart, not in any other time frame. So here this body is actually engulfing the previous one. Here actually this is a fractal. By definition, this also is a fractal, 286.40. Since this is a doji, we will not be able to get clear picture, so I am taking this proper candle with body and shadow, 286.40 as a fractal. I go to next, I move on to 1 minute chart of the same Canara Bank futures on that day. We will see what is the candle color here. 10:15 to 10:30. See, it is 285 to 286.40. If you notice, 10:15 to 10:30. The doji was this. This is 10:15 to 10:30. There, it is 286.35. This is 286.40 at 10:17. This is what is common fractal between 1 minute and the 15-minute chart which you have seen, and this is a red candle. We see 1 minute chart just to find out which color of the candle is it, 286.40, and whether the candle has only body or both body and shadow. Here it's both body and shadow, and 286.40 is a red color candle. That is what we are seeing in 1 minute chart. So it is high fractal, 286.40. It's a red candle and pattern is there. This is an engulfing pattern covering the body of the previous candle. So pattern is there. That is our conditions now. We go to Excel sheet, 286.40. We'll locate what is the nearest value to that. 286.40. Here 286.6 is there on high fractal side. Here 286.85. Both are very far values. We are looking at something which just touches or 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes difference on both sides. 286.40 I am seeing on lower side now, lower fractal side. Here 286.40 we have to see. 286.25 is the closest, that is, which means it's a lower fractal. Previously was 286.25. Now in the graph the higher fractal is 286.40. That means The higher fractal has pierced 15 paisa into a lower fractal which existed before. 25 plus 15, 40, 26.40. That's what we consider it as. So in our language it means pierced 15 paisa into a low fractal above, 15 paisa into low fractal above, and color of the candle is same and pattern is there. These are the conditions fulfilled. Now if I need an AFL or a scanner, a real-time scanner, or a AFL which I need for AMI broker, I need the AFL or the scanner to identify this. Each fractal is whether piercing 5 paisa or piercing 10 paisa or piercing 15 paisa on the same side, means on for along with a higher fractal it is piercing, or it is piercing a lower fractal which is above, or piercing a higher fractal which is below, or piercing on the same side if the current one is higher fractal and the previous one also is a higher fractal. So these conditions the AFL is supposed to let me know. And same color of candle, pattern is there as we said in 15-minute chart. Now what is the next condition that it's supposed to fulfill? Pierced 15 paisa, this is low above column, this is same color, not same color, pattern is there, no pattern is there. So pierced 15 paisa low above, pierced 15 paisa low above, okay, this is pierced 15 paisa low above, this is low above, right? Same color, pattern is there, which means this is going to work. It will going to give you 2 or 3 rupees profit. That is what this fulfillment of conditions will tell you. 15 paisa on low above, same color, pattern is there. Now symbol means it will work, into symbol means it doesn't work. So the permutations and combinations are same color, pattern, same color, no pattern, not same color, pattern, not same color, no pattern. And whether pierced 15 paisa, whether pierced 10 paisa, or whether pierced 5 paisa on high side or low side, and or same side, 15 paisa same side, means the current one also is a high fractal, the previous one which you are comparing the value with also is a low fractal, or current one is a high fractal, previous one also is a high fractal, and color of the body and pattern. If these things are taken into consideration, we'll get a signal saying that it will work. The heart symbol shows it will work. If you see this, yes, it worked. So where are we going to enter here? We will know this is a fractal only after this candle is formed, the next candle is formed. So almost at the end of the next candle, we should be end of 14th minute of next candle. If we enter or leave the candle and go to third candle, and then only if you enter, we are very clear that this is a fractal. Based on all this, we have 30 minutes time to decide. We have almost 15 to 30 minutes time to decide. 15 minutes time to decide whether this is going to work or not. And once we enter, we get at least 2 rupees profit. So I enter somewhere here, say around 285, and it has gone down till 281.65. So surely I get a profit of 2 or 3 rupees. Now the AFL which I need for AMI broker or a real-time scanner should actually say, if this is an AMI broker graph, it should take the data from this Excel sheet and calculate whenever there is a swing point, it should calculate what I did now. It should automatically calculate what is the type of condition that this swing point is, whether it is piercing 10 paisa low fractal, whether it is piercing on the same side, or whether it is piercing an opposite high fractal, how much it is piercing, and what is the color of the fractal in 1 minute chart and 15-minute chart. If there is a pattern, I gave you the definition of what is a pattern, engulfing pattern only we will see. So all these things the AFL or the real-time scanner should immediately assess and give me a number here, number of the condition. What is the number of the condition here? Say 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? That is the number of combination and permutation. 1 means pierce 5 paisa, low above, not same color, pattern is there. Or 2, pierced 5 paisa, it's a pierced high below candle, means the higher fractal which came below much earlier. Current one is a low fractal. So this and not same color and no pattern. Or say for example, it gives me number 15. The number 15 tells me pierced 15 paisa high above, and it is not going to work, or it is going to work. So this condition and this combination and permutation number I should be able to see right below the fractal here, either here or the high fractal. That condition number I should be able to see in the AFL or in the real-time scanner which I needed. That will completely give me clear picture whether I can go for the trade or not for a 2 rupee or 3 rupee profit. So this is what I am expecting from this part of the video. The result should be automated, and this is still in trial period. We are just finalizing these conditions, whether things work or not. So to finalize the conditions also, I need this AFL or real-time scanner to backtest the data. Say I have data for 4th of April. I will generate the data till 4th of April, and 5th of April I will apply the AFL only on 5th of April data on 15-minute chart. It should give me the numbers on that date. So backtesting the data, or it's a real-time data as it is forming, it should give me once it reads the values from Excel sheet. Whether it is an AMI broker or I use AMI broker, so it is better we have the AFL. Whether it is an AFL or a scanner, it should do for AMI broker all versions. This is the requirement. So basically this video shows you the entire live performance of what actually Visitor AFL is used for and how it is used to fulfill some conditions, to fulfill some combinations and permutations to get a 2 or 3 rupees profit. We need not do this in a hurry. We have 15 minutes time. That's why I've taken the 15-minute candle, and this should be able to give traders a good profit. Thank you.